Alright, so this is my follow-up video. Took some of your guys' advice and I adjusted the cam chain, and the noise has pretty much subsided, so that's a good thing. And I just gotta take a exhaust stud out. Snapped it when I was putting it in, so I've got to get a new one in there. I've got to extract the old one, but I'm going to start it up here. It's smoking quite a bit still. I took it down the road. It ran pretty good. I adjusted the chain once, and it I only put 4 miles on it. I adjusted the chain once, and it I guess tightened. It was still a little too tight. It sounded fine when I pulled it out, but I guess it tightened up when I was driving, and I started getting the sound again. So I took it back here after those 4 miles and readjusted it. And I haven't taken that out again. I'm not going to yet tonight. I'm gonna let it sit, but it's not making the noise anymore. So I'll start it up here and rev it for you guys and show you what's going on in the back here. Alright, so clearly starts up pretty well. Yeah, it did pretty good. Let's focus here. See, we got a little bit of smoke here, and out of the I don't know if you can see it, but the breather is smoking as well. I'm gonna rev it here for you. So, it seems to run pretty well besides the smoking. Probably just need to try to break in the rings. Hopefully they seat right this time. I did one rebuild where it sounded the same way, and the rings evidently didn't seat after 100 miles, 150 miles. Decided to take it apart and rebuild it again. So, I hope that gets a little bit better. It's pretty bad. But I'll put the phone down here, camera down here to the engine so you can hear it. So, wasn't really running hot. It's kind of a cool day. It's about 70 degrees outside. Like I said, I took it 4 miles. So, not too far, but still you can see quite a bit of smoke screen there. I was riding down the road, and I felt like people were getting pissed off at me, because couldn't see anything when they were going down the road because of me. So, but yeah. Anyways, let me know what you guys think. Like I said, it only has 4 miles left on it. Seems to be smoking pretty bad, but I had the cylinders rehoned and they were within spec. I used brand new rings and cleaned everything up. New valve seals, new base gasket, new head gasket, new oil passage, O-rings, also copper coated the head gasket. I had the head and the cylinders resurfaced. The cylinders just very minor. And yeah, so let me know what you guys think. Only 4 miles, I guess, so hopefully it'll go away. Thanks.